Pond. Ah, excellent.
Dad, the bridge is over here.
Well, I'm saying that is the way there.
Right.
I'm saying this is probably a secondary feather of a tawny owl that's possibly been attacked. Seeing here we've got a nip.
Yep.
So this may have been got by some other large predator. So that's nipped out and a nice beak shape.
Yeah. So it's more of a peck rather than a bite.
It's a full-on bite. You know, they're ripping the feathers out.
Yeah. So if that was a fox had bitten it?
If a fox had bitten it, we'd have it chewed, and there'd be crunch marks along here that had been chewed off. They'd have, you know, tears and strips across where they've pulled out and ripped out the feathers more. But here, you know, we've got a nice classic beak shape. So.
Yeah, look, it's a sporing puffball the size of him. It's massive. That's the reason it's called a puffball. And then there's a nice fresh one, but I think someone has kicked it.
Press your hand on that.
Yeah, which is a shame because it's gone all yellow and it's not too good. Look, it's gone. It's past its best. That probably would have been okay if someone hadn't punted it. But imagine the size of the thing. It must have been huge. Good couple of kilos of mushroom there.
There's quite a few in there, Bruce.
What? Puffballs? So if you look, see that dark band of grass, I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera, whether that's a sporing, like mycelium ring, because as I understand it, a puffball would be there, and all its spores would blow out and then onto a ring. That's how, like, fairy circles are formed, isn't it? Yeah, so I follow this dark.
Here, this one.
Yeah, someone's had one there.
One out.
Oh wow, look at that one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, just another one. Look at that.
That's a big one.
It looks like you've had maggots or...
Look at this one. Bruce.
See, that's why little boys have sticks. It's like poking things.
That one's a nice one, isn't it? Beautiful inside, isn't it?
It's a bit too yellow inside. We'll let it start to spore.
Yeah, look at that. Look at my little hole here. Beautiful one though.
Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah. We'll leave that to spore, but we know. Let's spread some spores. Another one there. Another one there. Yeah, it's all on that band. It's good we know it's here though.
Yeah.
Another one, big one here. Look at that.
Now that is humongous.
Yeah, see, look. That's yellow inside.
At the time, no.
Yeah, yeah, way too gone.
We've got some fresher one round here.
Another spored one there. Another spored one there. Loads here, look. Loads here, loads here, loads here. This is a broken open one. Yeah, yellow again. And then there's this one, last chance. No, too late.
This one? Yeah.
Shame.
Blood. I found blood.
You were?
Blood. Dad, I found some blood in this one.
And that ring runs down to there. But how bizarre. I really don't get why they grow in a ring like that. I don't know if it's where there was a puffball over there and it spread the spores in a perfect circle. Well,
There's difference in the grass as well, isn't it?
yeah.
The nutrient level is symbiotic.
Yeah, the proteins follow down the mycelium. Ooh! Oh yes, I think we.
You going to get that one over us?
Guys, this one's quite white though.
Oh yeah, it's been eaten, eh?
Ah. But it feels totally different. Hang on, turn the camera off. So what's this?
That's spangle gull. I believe that one's spangle gull. And it looks like they've hatched.
Yeah. So that's some sort of wasp.
Yeah.
And then where's...
Or fly, I think that one.
Okay. And then you get the...
I don't know, have we got any Napler gulls?
There's
Oh, we've got the oak apple. Can't remember what wasp that is now, but that's where it mutates the actual bud.
Right, so
the
where...
leaf bud. In the spring that will happen, that one.
Right, so where's the normal bud? Oh, there's a normal bud
There's
just
the
there.
normal buds.
That's the normal bud there.
Yeah.
So if it lays the egg in there, it turns it into
Turns it into that, yeah. Mutates into that.
And then
you may have a Napler gall here somewhere.
Right, we'll look for a map, I'll get back to you.
So the mutation it's done to the acorn bud. That's really cool there. You can really get to see what was the acorn and how it's has mutated around it. That's by the acids that the wasps inject to it surrounding the egg, and that mutates and forms that to protect it until it can escape.
How bizarre.
That we may find it's been sitting up in there and it's just squirted down.
Yeah. So that's bird of prey, that
Yeah.
kind of chalky
Just
white.
splattered, that's uric acid. That's his pee and stuff like that.
Okay.
And it just fires that all out.
There's some more here as well. There must have been as he flew away.
And again here.
Yeah, a bit more over there.
Cool.
This is the sort of place you would find
Well, you're going to get sparrowhawks, you're going to get harriers, marsh harriers.
Yeah.
And that go around here, and what are the other ones? Oh,
buzzards.
buzzards. Lots of buzzards. So what we've got here is the leftover remains of what appears to be a fox kill. So they're torn out and
in clumps rather
clumps
than
and matted. And you've got the tooth marks there and matted with saliva, which is...
Oh, okay, so if a bird had taken it down, there wouldn't be the saliva,
yeah, there wouldn't be the saliva and the chompness of it. And we've got all the flies and, you know, where they physically chew the parts of it off.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'd say it's a fox kill, so you're all matted together and ripped out rather than plucked.
Yeah, so a fox would have taken that away and buried it somewhere, or...
Yeah, definitely. They often bury it, they get extra kill and extra stuff, and they put hoards, they hoard it. Hence, if they raid your chicken pens or coops, they take everything, destroy everything, and they run away and hide it. Oh, cool. Here we go. I think we found the actual fox hoard here. It's been tried to scrape all the way around here, and that's part of the wing where it's left it. So, and it's tried to bury stuff around here.
Oh yeah, because you can see where it scrapes to try
all around, and
and there's a little
root for it running up and down.
Yeah, there's a little gap under the fence there. The path going off the
trail, and more feathers along the trail.
Yeah, some feathers up there. So yeah, his den's going to be over there somewhere probably.
Yeah, it's ideal.
Yeah.